Friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Jovan. So today I'm back with a new video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so press the red subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon for latest updates. Just A4 sheet, or you can use a whole chart. And some sketch colors, some decorative side crystals, and a black marker. With the first step you have to do is to take a A4 size paste paper and taking the same paper but in a hard texture and start drawing a line. Taking a A4 size paper is better than taking a scale. Do the same process on 4 sides. So after applying margins, take a pencil and draw a cloud shape. After you draw, then apply one more layer with the sketch color or marker. See, I have done. Then again take a pencil and write out a sentence. Does your sentence have swag? Please ignore my handwriting. My handwriting is not good. Then we have to write the swag word in capital letters. To highlight it. After writing all the sentence, then highlight it with your sketch. After you're done, take your sketch color and open this lid. After opening it, then you see this. Do this process very carefully. It will highlight your text a lot. After you're done, put it again inside it and close the cap of it, and we will repeat the same process with sketch pen for detailing. Yes, we're done. This black sketch, and we have to draw some dots, line dots on it, cloud, for some good effect. You can also do this in roughly manner. See, I'll take out another sketch pen and write the word S. Then similarly W. This process will create a lot of mess in your hands and the background, so please ignore my hands and the background. So after writing all the letters, you have to write some wordings that says starts with a capital. Then the next sentence says written neatly. My handwriting is not neatly, so please ignore my handwriting. The next sentence is a space between words. Next sentence is gives punctuation. So after writing all the sentence and completing the chart, and give your chart paper a cozy look with some colorful beads with same color. So see, our chart paper is ready. That's what about today's video. So make sure to comment about how was my video and like this video, and also share with your friends and classmates. And so this is how our chart paper looks. Does your sentence have swag? Starts with a capital, written neatly, a space between words gives punctuation. So
hey everybody, wait for bloopers.
Bye. Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am making a chart paper for what's up? Welcome back to updates. Friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with